The moments that matter don't wait. Neither should the way you capture them. Introducing the GemLightbox Mini, a professional jewelry photography studio that fits right where the work happens. Just place the piece. Tap once, done. From there, everything keeps moving. Turn the smartphone you already own into next-level studio shots. Shadowless, true to color, down to the last detail. Capture unique angles with a 360-degree spin, or use GemCam Pro to go even closer. Even after the capture, the creating doesn't stop. Meet the GemIQ app, built for jewelers, designed for a smarter workflow. Auto Center perfects every frame. GemBrush handles the touch-ups. Descriptions write themselves, in every language. Then generate model images and videos from the jewelry you shot. Jewelry content made easy. When it's ready to sell, so are you. Sync your products directly to Shopify. Share anywhere instantly with your own branded link. Just sit back. It's already handled. Your entire workflow in the palm of your hand. Trusted by more than 20,000 jewelers worldwide.
No shadows, you get the all-white background. It looks amazing.
Fabulous photography.
It's amazing. I mean, the quality of the pictures on our website are world class.
I would absolutely recommend this for any jewelry store.
I mean, it's so easy to do it.
Jump off the fence and just get it because it is so wonderful.
Take it anywhere. Stay ready for the moments that matter most. GemLightbox Mini. Capture it when it matters.